If you're having crawl space issues, a locally owned and family-operated business has over 3 decades of experience and patented products that will help keep your space nice and dry. Here now from the Woods Basement Systems and sponsoring our segment this afternoon, Dave Thompson joins us. Dave, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, good to be here.
You're also a Toys for Tots
Love
sponsor.
Toys for Tots. Love this time of year, so get those toys in those boxes. About the kids.
It's about the kids.
It is.
It's a fun program, something everybody can participate in. Thank you for being a sponsor.
You're welcome.
Now, we're talking about crawl spaces today.
Yeah, it's that time of year, and the reason why they're so bad is the stack effect. And the Building Science Institute talks about air quality, how air moves up and through a house. And if you have a crawl space below you and it's moldy, it's not good to breathe. So we take care of that with some of our products to air seal and encapsulate, stopping those negative effects in a crawl space. So we have a couple different systems that we can install based on what we find to customize the right crawl space repair for any house.
Now, let me go back to what you just said. You said the air underneath the house makes its way up into the main part of the house.
Especially this time of year, right.
And that makes sense, but I don't think I normally think about that.
Well, that's why we have a Building Science Institute. Who knew, right? Who knew?
Yes.
But they study that
on how
bingo. And if you're living above a crawl space, they're actually saying like 30% of the air quality is what is directly below your feet.
30%.
Yeah. So you want it clean and encapsulated. So some of
those seasonal coughs or maybe some health issues that come up might possibly be from...
Especially in the springtime, with the allergies,
Now, that's the problem right now. You carry the solution.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the solution.
Well, like I said, we air seal and encapsulate, and this is the material we use, and that's our factory seam. I was going to let you tug on that, see if you can pull it off.
You want me to try and rip this?
I'll give you $300, dude, if you can.
All right, game on.
Yeah. Let's see. Manually, you can't get a knife out of your pocket.
It's not budging.
No, it's super sealed.
And I'm pulling at the seam.
And we have the same materials to customize a seam or cut if we need to. Same material to apply at the job site.
Wow.
Yeah. That totally encapsulates and seals out all the negative elements of a crawl space. No one's getting through that. Up the walls, totally encapsulated. And then with our sump pump system, we have an airtight lid. And it has a specialized floor drain, too, just in case you have a plumbing leak. This curb means the water has to go past the alarm. So if you have a plumbing leak, you have an alert letting you know something else is going on. Not that the sump's malfunctioning, but now if you had a plumbing leak, you want to keep that crawl space dry all the time.
Wow. I mean, this is
a system.
Kind of an intimidating-looking piece, but it's very simple with how it actually works.
It is. It's a lot of science and development over the years to get it just right for the crawl space. And we have those other options, too, to customize that repair. That whatever we come across in the crawl space, we can probably take care of it.
Now, tell me what's going on over here on the other side of the table.
Yeah, that's for the leveling the floors, because sometimes you have some uneven floors because the column supports weaken over time.
Houses,
we use steel. Right, so this is our I-beam piece steel.
Wow.
And then we use a vertical piece that is adjustable to get those floors nice and level. So that's the adjustable part. And we use some real steel. The heavier, that's real steel. American-made steel. It is. It is.
This is serious. I mean, that has some weight to it.
Yes.
So you guys are really putting in a whole structure.
A to Z.
That's incredible.
Take care of everything.
Now, so question, because, our budgets are a little tighter this time of the year because we're buying presents and entertaining people. It's the holidays, so we're always looking for, ways that we can be saving money. Does this create a longer-term money-saving solution?
That's a great point, because this is one of the products that lower your utility bills. And by lowering the utility bills means you're saving money. And more importantly, or as important, is the less fossil fuels or coal you're using, it's better for everything.
Wow.
So it's saving your money, and it's better for the environment.
So good for your house, good for your health.
Good for
everybody.
Wallet.
It's a great thing. So, crawl space is not something that we are always thinking about. Something that's always there with us if we have one, and definitely important stuff to be thinking about. Problem, you've got the solution. To learn more about Woods Basement Systems and connect with Dave and his team, we appreciate him sponsoring this segment this afternoon. We'll have more information posted at CILiving.tv.